Never let a unicorn scribble. Written and illustrated by Diane Albert. I recently got a pet unicorn. I know it's hard to believe, but it's true. And everyone keeps telling me, never let a unicorn scribble. Who would say such a thing? Unicorns can run on rainbows and they can scribble. I thought if I gave her just one crayon, what could go wrong? Well, I'll tell ya, she ate it. Now my favorite bright pink crayon was going inside the belly of my unicorn. This is probably why people are saying unicorns should never scribble, because they eat crayons. Then it occurred to me, maybe unicorns don't know how to use crayons, so I gathered all my crayons and started to scribble. And even a crazy scribble. Now that she would see how many crayons worked, I thought I would give her another chance to scribble. I took out a teal crayon and placed it right in front of her. And she ate half of it. Listen to me, unicorns. We do not eat crayons. We draw with them. Then I realized a unicorn couldn't hold a crayon. Maybe that's why she was eating them. I had an idea. Maybe if I tied a few crayons to her horn, that would help her scribble. Within seconds, glitter scribbles started shooting out like water from a fire hose. Sparkling rainbow scribbles were everywhere. They were on the floor, on the ceiling, on the walls. They were even on my lamp. I've been begging my mom to redecorate my room for a while now, but I don't think this is what she had in mind. Then I heard a noise down the hall. This was it. I was going to be in so much trouble. I popped out of my room and blocked the door. Before my mom could say anything, I started to explain the mess she was about to see. Well, it all started when I was... Oh, no. My mom peeked around the corner and smiled. You didn't make a mess. You made a glowing masterpiece. When I turned around, all the scribbles were right on my easel. Not on the ceiling, not on the walls, not on my lamp. They were all on one big piece of paper, and it was the most amazing art ever. All this time, people wanted to stop unicorns from scribbling. It could be because they eat crayons. Maybe it was so messy. But if my unicorn had never scribbled, she never would have learned how to make a masterpiece. So the next time you think a unicorn shouldn't scribble, just remember, art starts with a scribble. Unicorns have somewhere to start. She had colored on my lamp and she'd redecorated.